Of course, like the great YouTuber I am, when I caught my 3 fish back to back, I wasn't filming. There he is. Yep.
What is it?
It's a nice redfish. Yep. Nice flounder.
That's a nice one.
Oh, that's a good one.
This one's over slot. Yep. You can't keep this one.
Oh, Al Clements has put me to work, y'all.
I'm getting my money. Throw some top water out there.
Send it. You got him. I've seen that. Looking like another flatty.
I want to get one big enough.
Just sling him right on in on top of me. Oh, he's kind of small.
They sure do hit hard, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
They like those prawns.
That's a red, I bet you.
Big flounder.
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's a nice redfish. Mm-hmm.
It's still too green. Ready, is it?
Mm-mm.
Nice red.
There it is.
That's a nice redfish there.
Yes, that is.
I believe that one's going to go home.
That one's definitely going home.
That's pretty red. Drumming in it. You put us on the fish.
There you go. All right, want me to take a picture of them with you?
Yeah, we'll get a picture of it. Good fish.
Good job, sir. I figured we was about to do it. No, didn't have time to turn the camera on to show you guys the fight.
I'll get a picture of him if you want me to.
Definitely. But we just got this nice
Yeah, he's nice.
gator trout. Oh, that's a good one.
This one's over slot. Yep. You can't keep this one.
Did you hear me say, look, there's a redfish, I'm gonna pull it right behind him, like, oh, there's 2 or 3 of them, and then whack, he got it. They're all with him right now. They're still with him right now.
Are they really?
Yep.
Can I get a lure in the water?
That's fine, go ahead. We're just having fun. Yeah, they're right here in front of the boat. Right here.
That's a big.
Yeah, they're still with him. They're still with him. Yeah, they're still with him.
Oh, okay. That's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Yeah, I know, he is a big fish. You think I should maybe try to get on top of him?
No.
Here he comes, here he comes.
No, I wouldn't let him play.
All right.
I'm up there right behind you.
All right, I think we're getting the headway now. Yeah, I made a real long cast, and then I seen a red body just suspending,
Yeah.
and so I reeled it right up to it and dropped it, and then 3 of them out that one red spot turned into 3.
That's where they are.
I think he's going to be nettable here.
You got him?
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Oh, that's a.
He's real big. He's not ready. That fish isn't ready at all.
We don't like it when they do that.
Nope. I can't help you till you get him out. Oh, he's big. Let's go back around again one more time.
Ooh, he swam right into it.
That's why I put him.
Woo!
Monster. That's a monster. That's why I put him down in the water. You know that?
Yes, sir. He made that curve and went right into it.
That's why I put the thing in the water. I don't want to chase him down, you know.
Wow.
That's a big fish.
Oh, look how I got him.
Good gosh. Look at that. He actually missed it.
He missed it.
Wow, that's a big fish. Want a still shot?
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let him back.